today we're going to install this full race 3-inch exhaust on this 2006 Honda Civic Si. Alright, I just received the PLM header and I'm running the NVIDIA Q300 at the moment. Now we're going to swap it out for the full race exhaust 3-inch. So let's go ahead and start dropping the old exhaust off. How about a little sound clip of how it sounds now? Alright, and that's how she sounds like right now. So now we'll see how it sounds after we swap it out. Wow, look at the beautiful color she's getting. So what I'm going to do is disconnect this 3-bolt flange from here. Then those 2 bolts right there. And the last 2 that go to the axle back. And that way we're able to drop the cat back exhaust and slap in the 3-inch. Alright, and there is the NVIDIA Q300 paired up with the full race 3-inch. I can see a fat difference in the piping size. Shit, yeah. Buy Q300. You're gonna go back to your original owner, but you're going into a new car. Sheesh. Let's throw this sucker inside the FG2. Before we install that, we have to do an open header. Right. A little bit louder than I expected. Holy shit. Fucking our eardrums are ringing. That's just gonna sound hella good. Sucker has like no restrictions whatsoever. You can see out the other pipe. Kinda almost up that one too, but no restrictions. Shit, yeah. Well, next sound clip will be this one installed. Alright. It is looking nice and good. Everything freaking fits. I even had to use this hanger. I've never used it before. Everything is just mounting up the way it needs to. So now I'm going to go ahead and put in the 3 bolts, the gasket, and the V-band. These take V-band there and at the end for quick access, even better. So let me go ahead and finish bolting this up. Right, so we came across the first issue. They don't line up. So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to notch these out bigger, and I'll try to notch these out a little bit wider too. That way we have a little bit more leg room, and hopefully we get some bolts through it. Right, little cricket, but it will work. Sweet. Now let's go ahead and mount this sucker back in, and we should be set. Alright, and there it is, fully assembled, looking nice, nice, nice. Sheesh. Look at that. Whew. 3-inch. Shit, yeah. All the way back. Can't wait to see how it sounds. Damn, that bitch is hella tucked. Looks pretty good, actually. Damn. pipes. Smells like burnt metal. Fuck yeah. It looks hella good. Sounds good. Can't wait to get retuned. Dang, I think she's starting to get some color already. Fuck yeah. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.